Let's make the best potato au gratin. This is the recipe you need to be saving for this upcoming Thanksgiving dinner. It's creamy, cheesy, and crispy all at the same time. You're gonna add some heavy whipping cream. You're gonna infuse with some herbs. I'm using rosemary and oregano. You can use thyme if you prefer. Add whole cloves of garlic and let them simmer on low heat. And I'm using a very sharp knife here, but you can absolutely use the mandolin. The thinner the potato, the quicker it'll take in the oven. Remove the garlic and the herbs from the cream and set aside. You can use only one kind of potato, but I'm using two. I'm using sweet potatoes as well. I season the first kind of potatoes, salt, white pepper, garlic powder, butter, and I'm gonna add the cream. You can also add a touch of nutmeg. The thinner the potato slices, the quicker they'll cook. I'm adding 3 kinds of cheeses, Gruyère, Fontina, and Parmesan. You're gonna do the same thing to the sweet potatoes. Add the rest of the butter, season with salt, white pepper, and garlic powder. Add the cream and cheeses and get in there with your hands. Mix everything together and massage well. We're separating the potatoes just to make my life easier arranging in the baking dish. Separate nicely in the dish, give them room to cook. Top with more cheese if you like. Bake covered at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for the first 30 minutes. The thinner they are, the quicker they'll cook. They might take 30 to 1 hour depending on the thickness of the potato. When you think they're soft enough, uncover and let them become golden and bubbly on top. This potato au gratin is so festive and great for a special occasion. Give it a try, recipe in the caption.